Okay, we're going to be continuing on U-substitution. And when we talked about U-substitution yesterday, we said U-substitution is to integrals is analogous to what we've done earlier in this class, first semester. What do we say U-substitution was analogous to?
It was the here I'll.
Earlier what we've done?
It's an integral version of what we call in differential calculus the, starts with a C.
Oh, I'm looking.
Oh my gosh. No.
Oh man. Hold on, I got it.
It's in the C.
Okay, I'll just tell you. The chain, it's like the chain rule.
Got it.
Okay, now,
I think one thing is,
so basically, and I think yesterday we ended up at the very last of class doing problem 1 here. Remember that?
Yes.
So I want you to look at problem 2.
Okay.
Help me out. Problem 2, what is our U going to be equal to?
Are you? Oh.
You see that if we expanded this out, we could integrate it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But how, now this is going to be a 4th power expansion. How long is it going to take to expand that out and integrate that if you do all the parts to that?
A minute. A good minute.
Now, it would take me,
Or it might take
it would take me a few minutes to do that,
Yeah.
right? But we have something called U-substitution. It's going to help us make quicker work of it.
Magic.
And so what are we going to let equal U in this example here? We say let U equal what? To simplify this whole thing.
Just 3.
Yeah, so we're going to let U equal 3x minus 2.
Yeah.
And usually it's going to be the most complicated looking thing in the function, or it's going to be something that can be used to cancel something else. And so what's our next step to this? Okay, what we do is we say yes, so du dx is equal to, what is our first derivative, what is our derivative of this thing here?
3.
Will be 3. And so du is going to be equal to what? 3 dx. So du is equal to 3 dx. And now what is dx going to be equal to?
you divide by 3.
Thank you, Gavin. Okay, so now we've done the preliminaries. We can go ahead and substitute. So we just go ahead and substitute everything here. So this being u, that's going to be u to the 4th power. And then we replace dx with du. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, instead of put over 3, I'm just going to put 1/3 on the outside. And what that does, to me, I like doing it this way because it gives us like a cleaner integration right here. Does that make sense? So now we're ready to integrate. So this is going to be equal to 1/3. What is going to be our integration of u to the 4th power? I want you people on the west side.
5.
To the 5th power, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Gab. So we got u to the 5th power, and what do we have to divide by now?
5.
Divide by 5. And so now this is what we have. And we have plus c. Oops, I put 2 pluses there. I get an error message from the calculator if I did that right. Okay, so now we have 1/15, and we can replace back our u, so sort of our last step here, 3x minus 2 to the 5th
Plus C.
plus c. And so that's gonna be the whole thing worked out.
Oh, that was not hard.
No, it's not that bad. And here, you didn't have anything really to cancel, did you?
Yeah. I don't
So
know.
here, the purpose of your U-substitution was really just to simplify that inside piece, so you didn't have to spend the next 15 precious minutes of your life doing all that. So you spent the last 3 precious minutes of your life listening to me. I know maybe that wasn't too exciting, but I want you to go ahead and try. Go work out number 3. Can you do that? Right over here. Once you work out number 3, then we'll go over that in a minute.
Can I take away the little like distillery to make it feel like that?
Yeah, this will be to the 1/2 power, right? So make, that's another thing. Make your calculus friendly, if that's possible. Is it possible to make calculus friendly?
Yes.
It is, huh? What about you, Gavin? You think calculus can be made friendly?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. All right, my question is for the class, should I spin the wheel
Yes.
on this one here?
Yeah.
I'll spin the wheel on showing us help with number 3. Let's do that. Yeah, I'll give you another minute on that. Last time Aaron got
Can you just
picked.
tell me what U equals? Is it
You would be equal to that thing inside the,
5x minus 2?
right, That's what U would be equal, 5x minus 2.
Just 5x minus 2 or the?
5x minus 2, yeah. And that's a good point, because you don't want to, usually you don't want to make it to the power of something. You could possibly do that, but really it's that 5x minus 2 you want to be U. Because that means you're going to be dealing with integrating U to the 1/2 power, which is okay.
I don't know what it is. I don't know. What is my
So we get 2.
Ow, ow, ow.
Are you okay?
No, I just stabbed myself in my own head. Try to. Oh my gosh.
See, I think I did this one in my head. I think I have it. I think I know what it is. I think I did it. But these things are a little tricky.
I'm lost.
Okay, I think I know what it's going to be.
I forgot what it is now. You take the 1/2 and add
1/2 plus 1. Let me reword it. How about 1/2 plus 2 halves? What's 1/2 plus 2 halves?
Huh?
I don't know.
Plus just two halves together.
Like 1.5.
1/2, yeah, plus 2 halves is 1.5.
Oh, 1/2, I said 1. Oh.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, 1/2 plus.
And the thing you do is I put that in fractional form, which should be 3 over 2, yes.
Oh, I don't know.
So
why.
you forgot your fractions?
I guess my head was telling me it was 3/5.
Yeah, that happens.
Huh?
Sometimes you get numerical dyslexia. You get numerical dyslexia.
Yeah.
It happens to me. I get some number stuck in my mind. And yes, I learned how to do that in 1st grade, I think.
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was learning.
There happen to you like you just sort of make a mistake with numbers, and it's something you learned how to do in 1st grade.
Mm-hmm.
And it happens, it's supposed to happen to a person like me that's older. Dementia starting to creep in. Forgetting the names of my students. calling Gavin Aaron. Yeah.
Got 2 minutes.
No.
Okay, let's spin the wheel.
Why did you sound so upset about that, Gavin?
Yeah. You don't want to be my twin?
No.
Wow.
Well, the thing about it is, I'm not the only one, because people, I've talked to people, and then I'm not the only one.
That mixes us up? Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Why do you want to be twins again?
You spend all your time.
You'd be sexy.
Ooh, get wrecked. Get wrecked. That means I'm sexy.
I have
It's a lot.
a little story related to that in a minute. Let's go ahead and pick somebody.
You have a story?
Yeah, related to names,
Oh.
to confusion of names.
Okay, all right, let's please.
Here we go. It's gonna be Hannah or Gavin.
It's not gonna be Hannah.
Hannah Chad.
It's not
Okay,
gonna be
Hannah.
Hannah.
Hannah, were you able to work it out? What'd you do on this one? What'd you do on this one?
5x minus 2, and then
So U equals 5x minus x minus 2, okay, then what?
would it be du over dx equals 5?
Du dx equals 5,
And
okay.
then so dx equals du over 5.
So dx equals du, so dx
Now what?
equals du over 5,
I gotta
right?
substitute D. No.
So now Hannah, did you do the next thing?
Yeah, hold on.
So here we have u to the 1/2 power, right? And we have 1/5 out here,
Yeah, do 1/5 u to the 1/2,
and that's gonna be du right here,
and then equals
1/5
times 2 to the 3rd power over 3.
to the 3/2. And we're gonna be multiplying by 2/3 plus c, is that right? Which is equal to, I'm getting
2/15.
2/15.
Yeah, times
U.
5x plus 2. The 3 over 2 power plus.
Let's see, and then the last thing you said, Hannah, was you substitute back in,
Yeah.
which is 5x minus 2.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Thank you, Hannah. That was really quite good.
Go ahead.
So that's it. All right, good. Very good, Hannah. Appreciate you being in class today.
God,
Got you.
that's a sticker.
Yeah, I've seen that one.
I would have to write down what I said. And I get that part.
Who's your favorite rapper?
G-Dog, of
Yeah, for
course.
real. G-Dog.
One, I'll tell you, the one that I think that I like, sort of an old classic, I think it's probably Tupac.
Ooh, I'm not playing Tupac, right?
And And the reason I do is that not being a black person, I don't understand everything about the black, but I worked in black community schools for 11 years.
Yeah.
I did. And so, to me, it just helps with the culture of appreciation. And he was really courageous in addressing problems in society. So I really, I think he'd be my favorite overall that I know of.
I don't want it.
I don't.
I wonder if I can bounce it.
Oh.
It
This
would.
guy's, come on.
Sorry.
All right. What I want to do is go work out problem 4.
Yikes, Mr. G. That was
I think I can do this one.
I couldn't even barely,
And we'll, I'll choose somebody for number 4.
how do I do?
And what is your U going to be for this thing?
I don't know.
6x minus 1, be that.
Wow.
Well, oh, I do that.
I think I can do this one.
You can do it, you should be able to do it.
What did I do it before?
You just let it chill.
No.
That's what I'm sure.
Don't you have to move it?
Before I put.
Now, the thing I would do with that 4 is I'd put it outside the integral, just to sort of try to uncomplicate things. And then, as Aaron says, I would just let it chill.
Well, I don't want that one.
Just let it stay there and don't do anything with it until you finalize things.
Okay.
To me, that's what letting it chill means. Is that about right?
Pretty much, you got it.
Okay.
Whatever 2 inch ones do.
And then, Kylie, what do you have to know to be able to do this? You have to be able to add 1 to 2/3.
I was just about to add
And 1 added to 2/3 is
5.
6.
5/3.
5/3. Why am I saying 6? Mr. G, just let me go.
Yes, numerical dyslexia. How this,
Wait, 1/3 added to 2/3? What you said?
Yep. No, 1 added.
Whoa, that's crazy how that would go.
okay. Let's go here. Oops.
I think that's right.
Okay, well, that's what we do. Then you can be peer reviewed as to your correctness here shortly. Okay, class, my pen is has lost my connection. I couldn't get it by restarting the thing. There we go.
Oh, there it is. Boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go here. We got
No! No!
we got Aaron.
I thought it was gonna be me. I was like, Mr. Young and
How is it me?
It is. You got picked last time
I
too.
just don't think it's fair.
Well, sometimes life is not fair. Your mom told you that, right?
Yeah, and my dad.
And your
And
dad.
my...
Okay, go ahead.
So U is 6x minus 1.
So U is equal 6x minus 1.
Du dx is 6. So dx is du over 6.
Okay.
And so when I plugged it in, when I plugged u in, I got 4 integral u to the 2/3 and then du over 6.
Times du over 6. I'm just going to go like this.
That's even better.
Okay. Everybody see this so far?
Yeah. See.
This is cool. And then
So then that equals, which is just 2/3.
so just I can rewrite that as 2/3. You're saying like that. Okay. And then
Oh shoot, you gotta integrate it, shoot.
u to the
U to the 2/3, or 2/3. Well, if you, oh yeah, it'd be 5/3. Wow.
times
3/5.
3/5
Yeah.
plus c. Is that right?
And then that simplifies to 2/5.
Okay. 6 6/15.
That's 2/5.
So 2/5.
And then when you plug,
Then you have
6x minus 1.
6x minus 1
to the 5/3.
to the 5/3 power
Let's see.
plus C. Okay, should be it, right? Okay, good, thank you. Thank you.
That's a sticker.
Yeah, it is. So go, now, looking at problem 5,
That looks tough.
yeah, it does, but here, let me show you how you gotta look at it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
What you gotta do to look at this one is this X on the outside sort of complicates things, right? But
Yeah.
if you take the derivative of the inside and you divide by the derivative of the inside, is that gonna cancel out that X?
Yes.
It is. So if you can cancel out that X by dividing by the derivative of the inside, then then you're gonna go places with U-substitution.
Wait, I think I'm
He
confused.
lost me there.
Oh! I ain't lost no more.
If you didn't cancel something out, if you weren't able to cancel out that X by U-substituting, then you'd have to look at something else. And I don't have a great idea right now of what that something else would be. Okay, another thing, Carson turned this in today.
Yeah, I have it, I need
So you guys need to turn this in to your grade book.
I'll turn it in tomorrow.
Okay.
That'd be fine. That'd be fine. Let's do that. I just heard the announcements that grade posting is due.
I shall do it tomorrow.
Okay. Let's get something here. And our next contestant is Gavin.
Ooh, right on the
Ooh,
The price is right, the price is right. Gavin, come on down. You ever seen The Price is
I
Right?
have seen it. I used to watch that all the time with my mom.
All right, Gavin.
Good times.
I don't know. I didn't understand what you were talking about earlier.
Okay, here.
Is
Well,
it,
first of all, Gavin, what is U going to be equal to?
sorry? X.
What?
Gonna be x squared minus 2.
X squared minus 2. Okay, good. Then what? du is going to be, du dx is equal to?
1.
What is our derivative of this thing here?
1, 2.
Okay, I don't want to have to flunk you back to first semester. What is the derivative of x squared minus 2?
2x.
Okay, all right. And so what is dx going to be? So you have cross multiply, so du equals 2x dx. So what is dx equal to?
D divided by 2x.
2x, okay. So now, substituting in, we have x here, and here we have u to the, what power is that?
2.
About 1/2. And then we're dividing by, when we replace dx with du over 2x, what cancels out here?
X.
So here we have, so now we have 1/2 integral of u to the 1/2 du. So what is our integral of this thing going to be here? What's our integral of u to the 1/2? You need to add 1 to this. What does 1 add to that?
1/2.
So 3/2. Divide by 3/2, which is same as multiplying by 2/3, right? And so the two will cancel. You got the plus c. And so what do we have left? 1/3. Then this thing right here, which is x squared minus 2 to the
1/2.
3/2 plus c. So that is it. Is that it? Did you get that right? Now, see, Gavin, that's not that bad, is it, Gavin?
I didn't think of the first part and then.
Okay. All right.
Canceling the X is a little confusing.
Yeah. Sounds good. All right, let's go here. I want to show a, yeah, this one right here.
Can I volunteer myself to do number 6?
Pardon me?
I said, can I volunteer myself to do number 6?
You want to do number 6?
Yeah, number 7.
Yeah, do number, have you done it already?
No.
Yeah, do number, yeah, do that. We're getting short of people. So here, so you can, so Carson, can you do number 7?
See,
Yeah, see.
Oh, number 7.
But I'll tell you, for number 7, the thing you have to look at, that's going to be all that to the negative 1/3 power is what that is, right? Then you'll be good on number 7.
Boy, that looks tricky.
Okay. All right, Kyle, you ready?
First time of the week.
Almost.
Why that positive? Yeah, I was confident.
Wow.
You have to like, it's like spin like all the way around.
Okay.
Yeah.
It didn't work.
Okay, I did this first part here. Does that look right?
Yes.
And so dx is equal to du over
94 squared.
12 x squared. Okay, all right. What next?
Then we have to do the interlude X squared. And then for the new, I need to do the 1/2.
You know, 1/2
So I don't like the little thing. And then if we do
du over
the negative
negative 12 x squared.
Hey, you can solve the X squared.
So you got negative 1/12, right?
X squared? Yes. And then if you,
Okay, then,
and then you have to, wait. You make it, you do the
so you get u to the
3/2.
3/2 times now 2/3
Yes.
plus c. So that's going to be negative 2/36, right?
Mhm.
which is negative 1/18th, is that right?
Should be.
And then we're gonna have this thing right here, which is 1 minus 4x cubed to the 2/3, or 3/2, excuse me, 3/2 plus c.
Plus me. Yeah. Look at me. Do I just learn?
Yeah, yeah,
Do I
that'd be
just
good.
learn?
That'd be good, yeah. Sounds good.
All right, Carson, how do we do number seven?
So we're sort of running just a shade scant on time.
Did it.
Stop.
No, go.
Thanks.